finally home. Took a hot shower. Got some much needed sleep. I'm still tired. Was happy to see my baby. Just nothing like kissing on your child, loving on your child, knowing that they missed you. It's nothing like a good old hot shower at a nice, comfortable bed. I'm on bed rest. Uh, really don't feel like going into too much, but I am home. Thank you for all the calls and prayers. Um, I'm mad I have to get out of bed to go pick up my medicine, but it is what it is. And that's why I can't do bed rest. I keep trying to explain this to the doctor. I cannot do bed rest when you're a single parent. There's no such thing as bed rest.